What's up, guys? So I finally got, excuse me, I feel like I'm catching a cold. My beauty box. This is my first beauty box ever. Um, it took a long time for this to ship. It just shipped alone. I don't even know where the packaging came from, but let me check this thing here and I'll let you know. Um, it got a few great items in here. I couldn't find where it came. I think it's from comes from Florida. But let me make sure this come out right. So I checked the box out and I unwrapped it already before I came on here and just showed me unwrapping it on my camera instead, just to see what items I have in here and what items I might want to give away. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. It comes in this cute like party type paper wrapping is what I call it. Okay, so all of you like females already know, like you're familiar with this. You've seen this box plenty of times, you know, from the beauty influencers, that the other beauty influencers that are on here. But I don't think that a lot of African American females tend to purchase anything from companies such as like Allure. Maybe I'm sure they do. I know Jackiana, however you pronounce her name, she does a lot of not unboxing videos. I don't really watch her channel. I think that she gives us black people a bad name. But anyway, let's get to the contents in the boxing. So we have a Main Magic multi-benefit 10-in-1 primer. This is a detanglizer to help detangle the hair, or it can be used to help protect when you are straightening out your hair. I don't have long hair. I don't do my hair. I used to have long hair when I was growing out my hair. Not when I was doing the dreadlocks. If I did have dreads, I might have been able to use this, but then again, I'm not sure. It contains argan oil, there's seed oil, I see kernel oil in here. I could have sworn I seen hemp oil, but no. So this is how this basically look here. I know it'll come out in reverse, but still, so let me try to fix. Okay. So the next item that we get in this month's boxing, well, actually, I believe this is last month. Next month should be shipped out sometime like in a week or 2 weeks. Is a from Laura Mercier. I know this is a really good brand. I'm not familiar with too many high-end brands, and the reason why that is because I lighten my skin. I know some brands such as Murad and brands such as Acre, or however you pronounce it, AKAR, do produce like you know, certain skin lighteners, but if it's not a skin lightener, I'm not too familiar with it, you know. So anyway, this is a Laura Mercier, basically translucent setting powder, and it comes with a mini velour puff. It's really cute. When I open this package, I seen that it comes with a really good amount. So I can see this being like snatching the title of basically this box, because a lot of these items in here are really small. Well, actually, it's about 3 items that are really tiny. The rest of the items are not even really worth it. I had ordered this in a medium complexion, and I'm not really familiar with makeup, but I thought that I may be wanting to try this. I think it might be a little bit too dark for my skin, since my skin is more of a caramel complexion. So this is like a medium deep here. And I wish my camera could actually show in reverse these damn products and the names, but so a little bit just dusted out. I will be trying this as well, or I might be giving it away. I didn't open the puffer because I don't want to touch it and then send it to one of you guys, and that'll be that, you know, you would get sick or something like that, which you won't, like, but I'm just saying, like, you don't know how germs are. I don't know how your germs would be if it was contracted from you to me either. So I just thought that this was like really cute, especially the way that the little puffer, you know, you just use on your skin. There's a dewy stick in here to make your skin look really like glowy, subtle, just look really nice. From C8 or C8 London. Remember, this is my first time using any of these. give it like seeing any of these products. I'm pretty much new, so when it comes to luxury skin products, so I'm not really sure how to pronounce this name. A lot of you, my aunt had hit me up, but a lot of you can help me out. Sorry for the camera not focusing here. So what you can actually do with this is just after you apply whatever you females do, let's just go over your eyebrow area. It tells you actually on the box to go over your cheekbones, your brow bones, the cupid's bow, anywhere light when actually hit your, where light will hit your face. It's just like the nose, the chin, the cheekbones, the eyebrows, the cupid bows, just basically anywhere where it will hit the light, okay? And you would swipe the product over your, basically with your fingers and pat and just roll over your skin. So I can't wait to try this out. I would never wear it outside. I think that this is a really good amount. I thought it was actually chapstick when I first seen it, but it is not chapstick. I wish it was chapstick because I would definitely use it. I'm sure some people probably do use it as chapstick, or what they would actually do is just go ahead and let's just give it a try. I have some product off of here, right? I really don't want to like apply anything on my skin. I don't feel like I applied this the right way because I'm really not trying to apply it, but like I can definitely see that it hit like this area, like the light is hitting this area here, and I can see a little bit like of the forehead area. I would apply this to my forehead, but like the brow area. Let's just get this. It smells so good. It smells like coconut. So it's just like a light shimmery type color. I definitely do see it now. My skin hasn't completely healed, so I don't want to really apply this, you know, and I would get like underneath my eyes as well. Like, I definitely see like the nose area, like, excuse me, I'm getting sick. Give me one second, y'all. So my nose is turning red. I know that they say that when light-skinned people get sick, like their nose tend to turn red, and I can see that my nose is turning red, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on my nose area. Just this area right here, just mainly areas where you would get the light to hit. Oh wow, okay. Can y'all see that? Like, yeah, I can definitely, that's cool. I could definitely see the light in this big area like right here. I think I applied a little bit too much right there. I know some of you will probably actually laugh at me for doing this, but I do see some light reflecting like in this area, like if I was to like that. But remember, my skin is not completely healed. I'm going to have to. I might use this. I'm not sure. Like as a moisturizer, my skin is looking really dry. I'm really not sure, but we'll see. I do have some products in here that I will be trying out, such as the hair product, the Retangler, and the Frizz Fighter, to help my waves to show like whenever I'm going out, or which I don't show, and also Secret Pierce Psychograph Color Correcting Treatment, which I can definitely use for when I'm doing UTC pill and there is some redness like that. I felt like I could use this tomorrow in the morning. So this is just like a tiny little thing. And it looks like mud to me, like, it smells like that hair product, like oil hemp, like some type of hemp or like Indian hemp oil or something that it has contained in here. I don't believe this came in a box. I think it did and I probably didn't. But let me just check this out here. It does contain zinc oxide, 5.76%, and titanium dioxide. So it protects the skin from the sun as well. And it does say that. I didn't see that, so it has a broad spectrum SPF for 30 SPF. This is from here in New York. This is a Korean product. And I was looking at some of the creators of these products, I don't know where I put. Okay, here we go. And just the explanation of some of these products. And I'm like, how in the world does, I mean, maybe she does some work for the company. I'm pretty sure she's not the CEO of the company. I don't know. She doesn't. Maybe, I don't know. You would never know. But it looks more like an Asian product. More like an Asian product. So here we have Allure by John Seal, which is a hydrating and calming serum. I definitely will be using this. So you can just apply it then later after cleansing in the morning or at night. Just continue if you see any rash or redness occurring. Just contains hyaluronic acid, and here's the reason why I do want to try this, and I would use this before I apply my Murad skin brightening serum and then applying the lotion. I lost the little probiotic, I believe it's 3-in-1 probiotic formula. I don't know where it's at, but I would definitely be using this. Definitely be using this for my hair. And the hard skin balance toner is something that I would use this first. So you can just actually just a little tiny 1 ounce size from, I believe, I'm not sure, I've seen this around, so I am familiar with some products. I'm familiar with a lot of luxury products, I just don't remember. So you actually get a half of 2 point, well not actually, well really, this should have been like 1.4 ounces, so, or 1.2 ounces, so then you would be getting a half. But this is actually a smaller size of the large one, which costs $55. So I can see this costing around like $20 for this little toner, and I really want to try this out. So I will be using these 3 products. Let me just go ahead and put it back in the box. I might use, excuse my nose, I'm so sorry. So Siades, I don't know how to pronounce that, C8 London. I might be using this for when my skin looks chapped or dry. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll even use it for my lips. Let's see what it contains in here. Wow, there's some crazy ingredients in here. And this is supposed to be cruelty free. And a ton of damn, just too much. Anyway, I thought about giving this primer to my mom. It is a hydrator and illuminator, so it helps to illuminize your skin, just to pick your skin up. It's just a tiny little thing you just dab here and there. And this is actually a green type like base to it. I never haven't like felt it yet, but just if I could apply a little bit on my hand, I will let you guys know how it feels. And it actually doesn't really feel like anything. Doesn't feel like this softening up my hand, like my skin period. Let me actually check out what this thing is supposed to do. And then look what I lost here, so. Okay. So it hydrates your skin intensely with glycerin and cocoa seed butter. I don't smell any cocoa in this. I definitely smell some in the Siades or the Seeds, London's skin glowing stick. Okay. And then we have one last product that I would definitely be giving away. This is from Thrive Cosmetics. Actually, it is a lip liner to help you look as if you have full lips. So it is semi-permanent with micropigmenting technology. Now I checked this product out already. It's a thin little thing. I believe this is actually a piece that it broke off. So I'm pretty sure y'all don't want that. I'm not sure how that happened, but anyway. So I'm not really sure what I would do with this. Like, I don't think this would be my color. I do think that this is from an African American company. I did see the CEO of the company, and she looks wow. Like she actually, this one. Here, give me 1 second. So, actually helps to plump the lip. Make it, you know, I like how a lot of drag queens like they plump their lip areas up. Sorry, my camera was not focusing, but I'm not so familiar with lip liners, except for the fact that I used to see a lot of females use it back in the days, and then after that, I just sort of lost touch with what most of these skin products do, except for the cellulite. Okay, so I'm sure this wouldn't really look good on my skin. My niece is more of a medium complexion, so I'm thinking about giving this to her, and I am thinking about giving away the stick, this thing here, to one of you guys. So this would be like my first gift. I was supposed to have gave a gift away a long time ago, but I mean, I don't really get support on here, so I'm like, why would, well, you know, that doesn't sound right, you know, like expect to receive support. But I have received support, and it is one of you that I was looking for. I'm looking at this thing on my damn cheekbone, and it is glowing. The house, it's crazy thing. I can definitely notice like the nose area is just glowing, and you don't want your whole, like the whole nose area glowing. But I know I look like a mess. This is my first time doing an unboxing like this, so I'm not too familiar with most of these products, except for this brand here, and there's two more other brands that I'm familiar with. Where is it? Oh, Laura Mercier, I am familiar with. Primera, and something is missing here. I don't know where is that, but I probably have it in my hand, and I'm like, oh, right. John Field. Okay, so I'm familiar with those few products. The other products I'm not too familiar with, but if it's mostly, you know, like a lot of these African American companies, I doubt will come out with anything that has to do with skin lightening, so they don't want to get any backlash or anything like that. So I'm assuming that they definitely would not want to even go there. So as you can see, this is basically how the box is. Like, it's really cute. I think it would look cuter if this came with some like a dark, like a bubble gum or a hot pink set color. And there we go. So I just want to thank those of you who are subscribed to my page. Those of you who are now subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Also, don't forget to give me a huge thumb up, smash that like button, and don't forget to go ahead and leave a comment underneath the comment section of my video. I hope all of you are having a great day. My day is not going so well. I'm a little bit depressed. There's some products that I'm waiting on, because I'm getting ready to create a gaming PC, and I can't wait to show that. I would definitely show that as well, so I can't wait to show that. But I hope you all are doing okay. This thing has not lifted yet with the COVID-19. I know we can state it now in our videos as content creators. It doesn't matter how large or small you are. So the thing with the coronavirus is like we can now go ahead and like go to certain stores, because like it's still, New York is still closed. So I just want to know, how is your state doing? Like, just leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know how your state is doing. Like, is it closed doors? Are certain stores open, not open? I know Best Buy is not open here. I don't think that Walmart, if Walmart was open, I would have went and to go purchase my piece of stuff instead, or just change my orders and have them shipped in instead of just have my friends home here. But anyway, that's that. I love you all, and take care. See you. Bye.